Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. In this video, we're going to unbox one of the brand new QN800B series 8K Neo QLED TVs from Samsung. The reason it's behind me is because it's the 85-inch version. We're going to open up the box, show you guys what comes inside, as well as give our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. So here we have all the accessories that come in the box. Starting off, we've got the One Connect box along with a cable cover for that one. Then we have some accessories that you'll need if you're going to mount the One Connect box to the back of the TV and not the pedestal. There's a power cord, and then 4 spacers. Again, if you're going to be wall mounting this and you want to have the One Connect box attached to the back of the TV. Moving on is the slightly redesigned solar powered remote. Then we have 2 different lengths of One Connect cables, along with the foot plate for the pedestal. And finally are the back plate that holds the One Connect box if you're going to put the One Connect box on the pedestal, as well as the piece that mounts to the back of the TV, along with all the screws necessary to put everything together. We've got the TV all set up. We've got some 8K footage playing on it right now, and it looks pretty stunning. We have the 85-inch model here, like I said, so it's huge, and that sort of, it doesn't hurt having a giant screen like that. But really, the picture quality so far from what we've seen is fantastic. It's super bright. The colors are phenomenal. Black levels get super deep. Seems like there's not a whole lot of light bloom that we were able to notice. We're gonna go over more of that in our overview, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But if you're in the market for an 8K TV, you're definitely gonna wanna check this one out. It's the QN800B series from Samsung. Stay tuned because we're gonna have more coming up on this one.